Hello and welcome. I guess I'll say welcome back. My name is Feddy and I'm here with this and another episode of real estate. So I'm standing in front of this property. We are located this is Runda off Kiambu Road. It's only a few meters from Kiambu Road, opposite Kiambu Institute or whatever. So this house is built on a 50 by 100 meters. It's a 4-bedroom house, all in suite. It comes with a DSQ, which is on my right side. This is the DSQ, also Ensuite. The house goes for 28 million Kenya shillings. If you are a cash buyer, if you're buying in cash, you pay 28 million, but you can also pay in installments. You pay 30% of the price, then you pay the rest for a period of 36 months. That's like 3 years. So you start with 30%, then for 3 years, you pay the rest of the amount. So you can see this path leading to the backyard, and then also the DSQ. As you can see, this here is we're standing in the front yard, and you can double down and use it as your parking. It's big enough to cover it's a big enough space to take like more than 3 cars. You can arrange this environment however you want. You can put your flowers there, then you can use it as a parking and all that. It's your own compound. On my left, we have your DSQ, which is attached to the house. So and then right here, it's your path. You see the grass, the vegetation. So this is your path to the DSQ. I'll just show you the DSQ before we go into the house. So this is your DSQ. It's also Ensuite. This here is the washroom for the DSQ. Yeah, so it's an amazing space. Coming out of the DSQ, this is your detached servant quarter. You can see there's a view here that leads to the laundry area. But you'll view that when you go into the house. So this is the door that leads to the laundry area. It connects to the DSQ, but you can also see it when you go to the house. So this is your outside exterior compound. Your parking and all that. It's cabro-fitted. Amazing. All right, so I'll just take you into the house. Now, coming into the house, on your right, on your right, there's you can call it a order room. This is the common toilet for the guests that are not staying over, so they can do their business in that room. And then on the corridor, you see there are some storage spaces here. So this space was utilized to create some storage cabinets on the stairs right here. Let's move to the lounge area. This is the lounge area. So you see here, it's a big space. You can set up your dining right here. You can set up your dining right here. And then this is the lounge area. This is your living room. It has this floor to ceiling sliding doors with a view of the backyard. So these are floor to ceiling sliding doors. This is the view of your backyard. So when the grass grows, the backyard is really amazing. You can see there's also a clear view of the backyard right here. All right, so coming from you can use this as your lounge, as your living room, and then dining there. And then this one I was told it's called a hatch. This is a hatch. So let's just go around and I'll show you the kitchen. All right, coming into the kitchen, first of all, you see the storage cabinets, and you can use this as your fridge area. You can place your fridge there, and there are some more storage cabinets. And then there's a tabletops and overhead. There's some overhead storage cabinets. And then down here we have more storage cabinets. It's a huge kitchen space. And this is your double sink. It's really amazing. You have a double sink here, so you can do your dishes while having a view of the backyard. And also in the kitchen, you have an opening that opens to your backyard. So you can view your backyard there. All right. Now next to the kitchen, there's a room here. You can use it as your pantry. You can store your groceries here, or it is a storage room. You can use it as your grocery storage. It's basically attached to the kitchen. Okay, so you can use that as your storage room. And then coming this side, still in the kitchen, there's also another door. The kitchen has like 3 doors, so there's also another door that leads to the laundry area. So you saw the laundry area while you are at the DSQ. So there's another door that connects the laundry area to the DSQ. So I guess you can put your clothesline out here so that you can hang your clothes in that area. So that's the DSQ, you saw that. And then this is the laundry area. It's a huge space too. Now that's the laundry area. You've seen the kitchen. And then you can set up your cooking stuff here. This is a very nice tabletop. Okay. Now we have seen the lounge, the kitchen. I guess our next journey is to start touring the bedrooms. So we'll start with the guest room, then I'll take you up and we'll finish with the master bedroom. And before we go to the bedrooms, I want to take note of the ceiling. All right, now let's go to the bedrooms. We are going to start with the guest bedroom, which is on the first level, on the lower level. So your guest bedroom is here. It's also ensuite, which means you get your bedroom and you access the washroom from inside the bedroom. So you have these wall-fitted closets. They're really amazing. The foldables and the hangables, you can keep them there. And then there's also the drawables, also easy to draw. And then right there you have your washroom for the guest bedroom. You have your walk-in shower. And then you have the area, the space for the water closet. And this is the space for your walk-in shower. It's not yet complete. The house is still under construction, so some fittings are yet to be done there. And then looking at this place here, also I failed to mention the picture windows. So there's light coming in, so you don't have to burn electricity during the day. You can also take note of the floor, wooden floor. It's really nice and brings out a good look. All right, now you've seen the guest bedroom. So we are going to the upper level. We are going up the stairs. And there's also some space here you can use. You can play around with this space right here. It's nice, all right. So the wooden stairs, we are going to the 3 bedrooms upstairs. That's the master bedrooms and the 2 other bedrooms. They are all on the first floor. So the wooden stairs, and then you can see the reflection here. These picture windows are bringing in light, so you see the sunlight right there. Right, so you have a space here, right from the stairs. You have a space here. I don't know, you can play around with this space. I don't know what you can use this space for, but it's huge enough. And then out here, you have a terrace. So these are terrace with a nice view too. So when you have your guests, maybe you can chill with the family and yourself, and you can also take some. You can use it as a place for receiving some sunlight, basking in the sun. And you can see right now I'm basking in the sun already. So it's a terrace with a nice view, and the tiling on the floor is not slippery, it's rough. And then there's a very nice view of your compound. Now let's go to the bedroom number 2, which is right here. Bedroom number 2 is ensuite. So you come in straight here, you have your shower right here. So this is a space for the mirror, and then you have some space for the storage cabinet. Some more storage cabinets down here. Really nicely done. And the water closet is working. You have the wall-fitted closets, which are really amazingly done. You can keep your foldables right there. Your bedroom space with a nice tiling view, natural light too. Don't forget to take note of the tiling, the wooden floor, really amazing. Alright, let's go to the bedroom number 3, which is right next to the bedroom number 2. Also in suite, you get your washroom in the bedroom. So coming right here on your right, you get this is your washroom. Vanity unit, it's just the same as that other one. You have your water closet right there, really amazing. And then you have your walk-in shower right here. So it's a good enough space for a washroom. And then the closet is also the same. Foldables, you open, then with this material, it's not wooden. And then this bedroom number 3, it has a balcony. Bedroom number 3 has a balcony. So, yeah, with a view of the balcony, with a view of the backyard. That's a balcony, the view of the backyard. And I like this. Is it called picture windows or whatever? The blank for the thing. There are no grills to interrupt anything. Now we are going to the main bedroom. The bedroom which I like the most, the master bedroom. Master bedroom is right here. So when you walk in, the first thing you see is the wall-fitted MDF. So it's from here to there, so you can. It's a wide closet with enough storage spaces. And then this material is also nice. And then on your right, there's also some more storage cabinets. This closet is right here. Then you have this space right here. So on my right is the master washroom. This is master washroom. So it comes, you see there's a bathtub right there. And then this right here is your vanity unit. You see the sinks, and then you have these storage cabinets right here. And then next to this one is this right here is your water closet. See how it's amazingly fitted next to the sink area. And then take note of this cladding. Gives it a really, really, really nice look. The cladding on the wall gives the master washroom a really nice look. And then I want us to go into the shower. So the shower is also really huge. It comes with the mixer and this unique shelves for keeping your soap. So you can place your soap there and your stuff right there. So you see this only in the shower. It's really exact. Alright, so that's the master washroom. So this area is I forgot to mention this. You can use this as your study area in the master washroom. So you see these shelves right here, and then you see this place right here. So you can use this as your, you can put your desktop here and use it as your work area in the master. And then this is your area where you place the bed with a nice view of the front yard. So you can actually see someone who is at the gate from the master bedroom. You can take note of the tiles too, the wooden tiles, and then the ceiling with the mahogany, which is amazingly done. Right, so there's a door that leads to your terrace. So this is the rooftop to the DSQ that we saw. So this is your terrace. It's connected to so you can only access it from your master bedroom. So this is yours. This is for the master. So this is your terrace, so you can walk here and really view the entire neighborhood. So you see, the construction is still ongoing. So I guess this will be a really nice view once the estate is done. So you can view the whole thing, and you can use it as a place for basking in the sun. You can view your property while standing on the terrace that is attached to the master bedroom. And then these glasses, really amazing, and the entire neighborhood. All right, I guess that is it. That marks the end of our tour for this property. So make sure you subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. And before I forget, I'll leave the contact details in the description for those who are watching to buy. But if you are watching to admire, we also appreciate. So the house, like I said, it goes for 28 million. That's a cash buyer. And if you are paying in installments, you pay a 30% deposit. Then you pay the rest after 36 months. So that's a period of 2 years. So this house is amazing, and I guess I'm out.